I got my first sparkly tree in. It's great for the holidays. It's sparkly and it has lots of lights. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Now I'm going to start to fan out the branches. There are two ways to power this baby up. You can use the USB cable cord they gave you and an adapter to plug it in. So, plug this in. Then I'm going to take this and plug it in there. Now we'll plug it in. Then all I have to do is tap this button. But if you're not near an outlet, you can use 3 AA batteries to power it up. Isn't my tree pretty? It's so sparkly. Thanks for watching.